Brian James, that Micro 4/3 guy once again. Just bringing you another short video. This one is how to do a shutter count, how to check the shutter count on a Lumix G9. Now again, like I've said in previous videos, do this at your own risk. There is possibilities to do changes that you maybe don't want to, so I would suggest be very careful. But in reality, it's a straightforward procedure, and I haven't encountered any problems myself. The camera's been perfectly fine, and I haven't done anything silly. I think if you're going to do something silly, you would know about it. It's a straightforward procedure on this one. All we need to do is, first of all, make sure that we have the camera still mode rather than a video mode. Put it to single shot. Switch the camera on. Take a photograph. It's fine, I've taken a photograph on that. Then switch the camera off. Wait for the camera to settle down properly. So what we need to do is press all the two buttons, the play, the AEF lock, and we need to switch the camera on at the same time. When the screen comes on, leave go of them. And that should put us into a maintenance menu mode. By pressing the menu button then, go to code display, then press the menu button again. And that will bring us onto an SD write menu, which gives us details about the SD cards. Press the menu button once again, and it takes us into camera info, and that gives us a few more details. This is the screen we're really wanting. It tells me that I'm on version 2.13 of the firmware. It gives me the serial number of the camera itself. It tells me a power count, how many times the power has been cycled. It gives me then the important what I'm looking for, which is the shutter count, the SHT-CNT. It then gives me a strobe count as to how many times the flash has been fired, and various other things. There is also a second menu on this, which we can do by hitting the display button, which gives us camera info too, and gives us things like the date of manufacture of the camera and various other bits and pieces. To get out of this and back to standard mode, just switch the camera off. And if we switch the camera back on again and go into the menu set, we find that on menu 5 we are back to the normal amount. So if you've enjoyed this video, my name is Brian James, that Micro 4/3 guy. Please give us a subscribe below and give me a thumbs up if you would. That really helps the YouTube to use its algorithms to spread this to more and more people so they can see the videos I post. And if you get the chance and you would like to leave me a cup of coffee, there's a PayPal link below. Any amount would be really appreciated. So once again, Brian James, that Micro 4/3 guy, signing off. Bye bye.